Guys, welcome to my channel. Like, comment and share. And guys, anyway now all over the world, good evening or good afternoon. And this is 3 pillow guys. And these 3 pillow guys, I cut them up and I join them up. They take a long time. With this one, I join 4 together before I fold it. I fold it guys and join it again, and then I go back and start stitch all around guys. Guys, this is another one. I join everything and then I stop stitch it guys. And guys, this is a round pillow again guys. See? Oh, I join it and then I stop stitch it. I make all 3 together look just the same but a different style. And guys, each and every one that comment on my video and share and like, I thank you guys. I appreciate it so much. And I'm going to my machine now. I'm going to finish to make it so beautifully look guys. And thank you guys for like and share.